House Life cordless leaf blower. It's portable. All those things separates from itself. It comes only a blower with no battery. So you will need DeWalt 20V Max battery, which I had it from my other tools with the charger. Just remember, it doesn't come together. So you clip it in without battery. It's very lightweight. It's only 3 pounds. It's getting speed to 130 miles per hour. It's very light, very portable, great handle, non-slip, prevent fatigueness of the hand if you use it for a long time. I will demonstrate it in a moment. They do give you warranty for 1 year if it goes out of order, and they're not going to fix it, they're going to replace it. So I think it's pretty good find for the household. If you need to clean up, I purchased it for cleaning up my garage, or if you have trees around the house, want to clean up driveway, awesome tool. I'll show it in a moment. We had rain night before I recorded this video, so you can see how wet and heavy those leaves are, and it's still moving. It's just fine. The wet spots right after I move the leaves, you can see it on the concrete.